Hello, I am Priyanshi from ongrid.design. Welcome to our product presentation video. Today, we bring you our ultimate interior design package. What you see in front of me belongs to Mr. Sachin from Buldana. We ongrid helped bring out a fantastic and a modern view that was delivered in 30 days. In this video, we will explain three important things. First, design details of the project. Second, essential information for any interior design project. Third, features of the complete drawing set. Now, let's get started. This set contains every essential drawings and information that Mr. Sachin will need to complete his interior design project. ongrid.design provides every customer with an A3 size high gloss printed drawing set and a lifetime access to a PDF soft copy. This set contains every essential drawings and information that Mr. Sachin will need to complete his interior design project. In the very first page, a warm message from our team and the content of the package, followed by a user manual. This is especially helpful for our DIY customer. It covers vital details that will help you understand the drawing. Next, we have the realistic render views of the entire project. Since we are here to understand the complete process, we will deliver this at the end. We shall begin with the plans of the project. Every interior project must cover 4 plans, that is, layout plan, flooring plan, ceiling plan, and the lighting plan. A lavish 8-seater sofa arrangement with minimal storage space and an open layout for the kitchen and dining. This allows a more open conversation between your guest and host. He liked warm color tone with the dedicated work desk and the storage for the bedroom. To complement the minimal color theme, we settled on statuario vitrified tiles with at least 1600 by 900 mm, and the wooden flooring in the bedroom was an intelligent choice. For the ceiling, we kept true to the theme by adding straight modern lines that complemented the decor on the floor. The lighting design was pivotal in allowing the room to feel spacious. The second key aspect of the project is to consider every wall treatment in the project. These wall elevations will help vendors and carpenters work according to the plan and keep every fitting a hassle-free play and plug. As you can see, all our elevations have detailed measurements in mm to facilitate an accurate fitting experience. Let's see. Now you have the plan, sizing, and the material for every surface to finish. But there is still one crucial element missing. Any guesses? Well, it's furniture and decor selection. All the best designers ensure every single details of the home feels part of the project, and selecting the complete furniture list on your own can feel challenging and has the potential to ruin the project. So we help our customer with a detailed selection list with mention of vendors, web links for purchase, and every furniture is custom selected according to the dimension and the theme of the project. Now let's have final reveal of the ultimate 3D realistic views. For those of you who made it this far in this video, we know the home decor and design are important for you, and we are here to help. Like Mr. Sachin, you can also transform your interiors with our passionate designers at Ongrid, Pune. You can reach out to us on www.ongrid.design. We hope you enjoyed the video. This is your host Priyanshi from ongrid.design. Take care.